If you move your arm, will she get up? Do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Poor baby. It's funny because she has like this miserable look on her face. Like she just hates the hiccups. Are they gone? Oh. She needs more room, honey. I was trying to get a video of, well, I was trying to get a video of her hiccups, but I think they're gone.
Oh, no more puppy hiccups.